The only and the best. Bronx Night Market took our favorite borough by storm, or shall I say, by food. You don't have to be a resident of the Bronx to enjoy this food-tastic event. All you have to do is come hungry. BronxNet spoke to the founders of the Bronx Night Market, who explained what they are trying to accomplish.
I think we just wanted to celebrate the food and the culture that we know exists in the borough, and I think there's never been anything like this. You find it in every other borough, but not here. And it was really important to kind of showcase that, we're on par, if not better in some ways than all the other boroughs. We have a lot of flavor between the music, the food, the eclectic mix of vendors that we have. It's just something we really wanted to showcase. And using a central location like this, it was a perfect place to launch it.
Why go spend our money there when we can spend our money first over here and support some of our local vendors? The Bronx is seeing a culinary revival. We've seen new entrepreneurs coming and putting a mark in the culinary scene, and we just want to support it. We want to be able to enable that and support it and showcase that, and stick it a little bit to other boroughs, saying like, we got it.
Food vendors come from all over to showcase their widely diverse food options.
We have a little bit of everything. We have some juices here, we have some shots, and then we have some watermelon pops as well.
Our menu is very rich. It's old, and just so you know, we are the first Albanian authentic restaurant in the United States. All the recipes are brought from back home, and we grew up eating that for many, many years.
Tamales are our specialty, but our main customers are the working class people of the Bronx. So we offer tacos, quesadillas, burritos.
These vendors couldn't just pick their favorite. Everything on their menu is delicious.
Oxtail, the mac and cheese, the rice and beans, everything that people say it's so flavorful.
I couldn't pick my favorite either.
This is good. This is good. I could taste the love and attention.
Don't worry if you've missed the first one. Bronx Night Market is open every last Saturday throughout the summer months. For more information, follow their Instagram at The Bronx Night Market. Reporting for BronxNet, Darissa White.